Alright, the last one I'm going to do today, my battery is dying, is volume. So volume is the depth of a square, and I put square because that's what most of you are working with. It is just how deep a shape is. Or how much, think of it being how much liquid a shape can hold inside. So for cubes and rectangular prisms, we are going to use the formula length times width times height. For non-rectangular prisms, use the base area times the height. And a real easy way is to find the volume like normal and divide by 2. So let's look here at a cube. We have 2 feet by 2 feet by 2 feet. We use the formula length times width times height. So volume equals 2 times 2 times 2. And volume is 8 feet squared. Sorry, not squared, cubed, sorry. Cubed. So it's 8 feet cubed. We are going to put the cubic units on the volume, and an easy trick to remember, volume, you multiply in 3 things, so you need a 3 after your units. Okay, here we have a rectangular prism. It's 4 feet by 12 feet by 6 feet. Once again, we use the formula volume equals length times width times height. So volume, 4 times 12 times 6. When we multiply that, we get 288 feet cubed. Alright, this shape is a little confusing because it's so flat and condensed. However, it is still a rectangular prism. It is 1/5 centimeters by 1 1/2 centimeters by 4 centimeters. So we are still going to use the formula volume equals length times width times height. So V equals 1/5 times 1 1/2 times 4. And when we multiply that, we get 1 1/5 centimeters cubed. Now the next one is one of those non-prism ones. This is where we're going to have to use that other formula. So we have 6 meters, 4 meters high, 5 meters, and 5 meters. So volume equals the base of the area times the height. So to find our base area, we are going to use this number down here. This is our base, our 6 meters, and over here are 5 meters. So 5 times 6 is 30. And we have to divide it by 2 for base area. So when we divide that by 2, we get 15 meters. So volume, now we're going to bring our height in, which is our 4 meters. So it's going to be 15 times 4 equals 60 meters cubed. Now, we're going to do it with our formula and divide by 2. This is just another option. So volume equals length times width times height. So volume equals 4 times 6 times 5 is 120. Divide 120 by 2, you get you get 60 meters cubed. Alright, and my battery just died. So I hope that helps.